Slide 1, in the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Slide 2, nature of environments. In this session, we aim to explore intelligent agents and their interaction with various environments. Intelligent agents in artificial intelligence are designed to perform tasks in specific environments. Therefore, the characteristics of an environment significantly influence the design and performance of these agents. Today, we'll look at different types of environments and how they affect intelligent agent design. Slide 3, a thought-provoking game. When I reach this part during my teaching sessions, I begin with an exciting game. I'll now describe this game to you. If you can, try to play it at home. If not, simply close your eyes for a minute and imagine it to create a memorable experience. We're used to thinking that our environment is understandable, stable, and predictable. But now, I want to take you into a world where nothing works as expected. You're about to have a unique experience, a world where familiar rules don't apply or may even work in reverse. That's exactly what artificial intelligence faces, an unknown and surprising environment. The game, you're split into two groups. The first group chooses a game, it could be anything, even fizz buzz, but doesn't tell the second group. Then, the second group invents bizarre, unexpected, or even contradictory rules, without knowing the actual game. Then the groups merge. For example, maybe whoever sits down and speaks loses, or anyone who talks without introducing themselves burns. Now you must play the game, but not in the usual way. This time, under rules you never expected. Forget how life usually works. Anything is possible. Now close your eyes and imagine wild games with strange rules, for example, a world where speaking reduces Earth's gravity. Just now, you were acting as an intelligent agent in an unfamiliar environment, with unstable rules, forced to adapt quickly and intuitively. This wasn't just a game, it's a real model of what AI faces daily: decision-making under uncertainty, trial and error, failure, correction, and adaptation. Now you better understand why comprehending the environment is one of the core challenges in designing intelligent agents. Slide 4, Ps, performance, environment, actuators, sensors. Ps is a simple framework to help define an agent and its environment. It includes 1. Performance, measures of success or failure. For a self-driving taxi, this could be timely arrivals, cost reduction, and safety. 2. Environment, the external world the agent operates in, roads, traffic, passengers. 3. Actuators, the tools the agent uses to act, steering, brakes, audio system. 4. Sensors, tools to perceive the environment, cameras, LiDAR, GPS, etc. Slide 5, Understanding environment types. One of the most important things in intelligent agent design is understanding the environment. So, what does that mean? It means knowing the world where the agent makes decisions and acts. Let's go over the key features of environments. 1. Observability. In fully observable environments, the agent has complete information, like chess, where all pieces are visible. In partially observable ones, the agent lacks full knowledge, like driving in thick fog. 2. Single agent or multi-agent. If only one agent makes decisions, it's single agent, like solving a puzzle. If several agents interact, it's multi-agent, like in a soccer game. 3. Deterministic or stochastic, uncertain. In deterministic environments, actions have predictable results, like turning on a light switch. In stochastic environments, actions may lead to various outcomes, like kicking a ball in the wind. Slide 6, more environment features. 4. Episodic or sequential. If each decision matters only in the moment, it's episodic, like spam filters evaluating emails one by one. If current decisions affect future outcomes, it's sequential, like story-based video games. 5. Static or dynamic. Static means the environment doesn't change while the agent is deciding, like a crossword puzzle. Dynamic means it changes constantly, like the stock market. 6. Discrete or continuous. Discrete environments have clear states and actions, like a board game. Continuous environments change fluidly, like flying an airplane or driving a car. Understanding these helps us design better agents, especially when dealing with uncertainty, partial information, or multi-agent systems. Slide 7, Sample agents and P's descriptions. Here are some examples of different agents and their corresponding environments. 1. Medical diagnosis system. Partially observable, relies on patient reports and tests, not full internal data. Multi-agent, interacts with doctors, staff, and patients. Stochastic, outcomes are uncertain. Sequential, each diagnosis affects future treatment. Mostly static, doesn't change unless new input arrives. Discrete, works with distinct data like test results. 2. Satellite image analyzer. Fully observable, has full image input. Single agent, only processes data without external agents. Mostly deterministic, input leads to predictable analysis. Episodic, each image is processed independently. Static, snapshot in time. Discrete, categorized outputs. 3. Part sorting robot. Partially observable, some parts may be hidden. Single agent, works independently. Somewhat deterministic, though errors can occur. Sequential, wrong sorting affects system performance. Static, parts move only if the robot acts. Discrete, clearly defined actions and parts. 4. Refinery controller. Partially observable, sensor data may be incomplete. Multi-agent, interacts with operators and systems. Stochastic, chemical reactions vary. Sequential, each setting influences outcomes. Dynamic, continuous changes. Continuous, variables like pressure and temperature change over time. 5. Interactive language teacher. Partially observable, cannot fully know students' understanding. Multi-agent, interacts with multiple learners. Stochastic, learning varies with mood or motivation. Sequential, past exercises affect future performance. Static, environment doesn't change during sessions. Discrete, exercises and evaluations are step-based. Slide 8, Conclusion. Designing intelligent agents requires a deep understanding of environmental characteristics. Each environment type brings unique challenges that directly impact agent behavior and effectiveness. By analyzing these features, we can make better design decisions and build more efficient intelligent agents. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope that AI Commander Alireza Khoshzaban, have helped illuminate a part of the vast ocean of artificial intelligence for you, and offered a small but meaningful contribution to your academic journey.